All right, StillWater family. It's great to be back with you for some more StillWater Financial Advisor insights. And I'm basing this week's video and actually next week's video off of some recent conversations I've had with people in my network and some identified misconceptions relating to the estate planning process and estate planning in general. And so, really want to spend some time on helping you think about your legacy and your wealth transition. That's really something that's important at any stage of life, not just for your later stages of life, because, tragedy can strike at any time. So, on this video specifically, we're going to touch on the concept of probate. Probate is the legal process that your state uses to settle your assets after you have passed away. Each state has different laws that govern its probate process, so it's certainly a good idea to know a little about what will happen in your state of primary residence if you were to pass away. If you have a will, that does not allow you to avoid probate. The will simply directs the steps that the probate court will follow. A will is essentially an instruction manual for the court as to how you wanted to distribute your assets. When your estate goes through probate, it is a matter of public record, so anyone can look up information about your probate proceedings. It also allows anyone to contest your will if they believe there has been a mistake and they have been slighted or left out. Probate does take time and money as you pay court and probably attorney fees. A rule of thumb is to expect anywhere from 2 to 7% of the assets going through probate to get consumed by the expenses of the process. In contested situations, that figure can be much higher. For proof of that, if you want to look at what happened to Elvis Presley's estate, very key example. You can avoid probate by utilizing designated beneficiaries on any eligible accounts like banks, investment vehicles, or life insurance, etc. You can also avoid probate by utilizing a properly established trust, and we're going to spend some time on trusts next week to shine some light there. In summary, it is a good idea to know and review your estate plan. You want any wealth that you leave behind to be a blessing and not a burden. So decide whether you will send your assets through the probate process or will you seek to avoid it. Will you want your money left to heirs outright, or is it better to control their receipt and access? Who might possibly contest your wishes, and have you accounted for that properly? Who is running your affairs and making medical decisions for you while you're alive and managing your resources after you're gone? People spend far too little time on this complex topic, and we are here to help our clients holistically prepare and manage their finances for success. If you feel like you need a partner to help you prepare for this part of your life, reach out to us and start the conversation. While I'm not an attorney, I am connected with several great estate attorneys ready to walk with you in your journey. Make sure you have a full team around you that you can rely on to protect your wealth and your family. Financial advisors are a part of that, CPAs or accountants, attorneys when needed. Give us a call at 704-248-5553 or engage with us on our website, stillwaterfa.com. Let us know how we can help. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel using the link below to stay informed and to catch next week's video about trusts. See you then.